Powell is now stocking the Gecko SL 1.25mm pitch screw lock connectors from Harwin. These secure and robust miniature connectors provide high reliability connectivity in demanding applications such as aviation, space, defense, motorsports, and EVs. Gecko SL connectors feature Harwin's patented single-piece 4-fingered beryllium copper contacts rated for up to 2 amps with low contact resistance. They provide excellent temperature tolerance and high electrical performance in high shock and vibration. The connectors are available with 6 to 50 contacts, with a higher density than micro D connectors, and are up to 45% smaller and 75% lighter. The connectors have a mate before lock design for faster and easier assembly, and the stainless steel screw lock fixings ensure a secure connection. Harwin Gecko SL connectors are available in PCB, panel, and cable mount variations. Optional aluminum backshells and metal braiding provide effective EMI shielding and additional strain relief. Learn more at Powell.com.